Hey guys, Matt Smallbone from Heartland RV. I'm here at the DFW RV party presented by Funtown RVs, and I'm standing in front of our Road Warrior 414 model. So immediately what you're gonna notice here is you have this giant bedroom slide that allows for the biggest bedroom in a toy hauler that we have. Also coming up here, you're gonna have this massive pass-through storage. This is gonna have tremendous amount of space, and it's gonna be waterproof down low, very, very scratch resistant as well. So if you wanna put in your fishing gear, that kind of stuff, you don't have to worry about it getting absorbed or getting damaged down there. You do have your TV hookups out here as well as ducted heat. So if you're traveling with perishables, you don't have to worry about those freezing up on you. Staying on the outside over here, we have our exterior JBL sound system speakers. You have 2 on the outside, 2 in the inside, 2 in the garage, and then also a subwoofer on the inside. Also on our Road Warriors, we have our MORryde integrated step. So that is a lot easier to use step, just lifts right up. And then you have a push of the button to adjust the legs. Makes it nice and simple, and you can adjust the legs to different heights. Coming over here to the other side, we're gonna have our exterior kitchen. This is standard on our 414 floor plan. It allows to have the 2 burners as well as a faucet for hot and cold. And then also you have your mini fridge for your pops, your beers, whatever you're traveling with. G-rated tires on this guy. You have the 7,000 pound Dexter axles, as well as the MORryde CRE 3000 suspension system. Also standard on Road Warrior is gonna be our 6-point hydraulic leveling system. It allows you to make you 100% level to the earth and just one press of the button. Let's go ahead and head on inside to the garage here. So inside the unit, you're gonna notice that you have a ton of space in here. This is a 13-foot garage. It allows for, if you're traveling with side-by-sides, big ATVs, big dirt bikes, whatever you wanna travel with, it allows for a lot of space. One thing I like to point out immediately is we are gonna have our frame welded tie downs in here. Each one of these tie downs is gonna be rated for 5,000 pounds. They do come integrated from the frame. So when we get our frame from our manufacturer, they are already welded to that frame. Right here, you're gonna notice our Happy Jack bed system. Right now it is set up so you can have the cross seating. These do fold down. This one will fold down as well. And create another sleeping area, as well as our queen bunk up high. That'll come down as well. So you do have a bunk bed system right there. Really easy to operate, really fun, really simple. Another thing to point out in our garage is gonna be our integrated loft. So you have your pull-out ladder right here that allows for you to climb right up. If you wanna store more bags up there, if you have another space for a kid to sleep in, really accessible. So here in our 414, we have a really cool folding wall system that allows for the maximum width in your garage. So right now this is set up for a half bath, which allows you to access your toilet and your sink. But then when you're traveling and you need to utilize that width, this whole system folds down, locks into place. This will come down as well and just create maximum width for your large side-by-sides, as well as access to the TV. Let's go ahead and head into the living room really quick. So immediately in the living space, you're gonna notice that this feels like a regular fifth wheel. It's got that high-end feel. You're gonna have your solid surface countertops right here, as well as our chef-style kitchen, which is gonna be our 3-burner, as well as a large residential style microwave and a larger RV oven down below. You will have the TV standard as well in the living room. So you have that garage TV, you have your living room TV, and as well as a bedroom TV. One thing that's really cool about this floor plan is you do have a designated area to eat or to converse. You have cross seating, as well as this fold down center console that can double as another eating space, as well as cup holders, or if you want to play a game of cards, it just allows for more surface area to entertain. Right here, you're gonna have your 18 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator. This is standard, really high-end feel. It's got that stainless steel look, and it allows for maximum storage for whenever you're long-term tripping. Let's go ahead and head into the bedroom, and then we'll move on from there. Hey guys, now we're in the actual bedroom of the 414. You can just see how large it is in here with these opposing slide outs. First thing I like to point out is I am 6'4" myself, so you can see how much height there is in this bedroom. It's perfect for my height. as well as if you're traveling with kids, or if it's just you and your significant other, you do have a lot of space to get ready in the morning. You do have the tilting bed in this one as well, that it creates that space. This will tilt down for when you're sleeping at night. You have your bedroom TV, like I mentioned before. But the really cool thing is gonna be all this closet space up front. So in the 414, like I mentioned before, massive bedroom. It allows for our massive closet space. The cool thing about this is that it does have the washer dryer prep up front as well. All Road Warriors do come standard with washer dryer prep, as well as this third AC. So you do have 3 ACs in Road Warriors.
Thanks for joining us, guys, as we did the walkthrough on that camper, but there's one more thing I want to show you. This is a starter kit right here. So we have collaborated with customers, got feedback, and we put together kits, so whether you're a 30 amp, 50 amp, a fifth wheel or a travel trailer, or even one of our pop-ups, we have kits that we've put together to help you out at the campsite on the go. That way you make sure that you don't forget anything. Remember, like, follow, and share. I'm Christopher with Funtown, and the fun starts here.